Namaste. खुश रहो बिटिया. I, J.B. Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic. Overview of regulatory authorities in Japan Pharmaceutical. So, overview of Japan Pharmaceutical Regulatory Authorities, PMDA. The main regulatory body of PMDA located in Tokyo, Japan. So, it was established in 1st April 2004. Now we come to the mission to provide safer and more effective pharmaceuticals and medical devices as fast as we can. Introduction. PMDA, Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices Agencies, is Japanese regulatory agency working together with Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare. Its obligation is to protect the public health by assuring safety, efficacy, and quality of pharmaceutical and medical devices. It conducts scientific reviews of marketing authorization application of pharmaceuticals and medical devices, monitoring of their post-marketing safety, and also responsible for providing relief compensation for sufferers from adverse drug reaction and infection by pharmaceuticals or biological products. So Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices Agency is a consolidation of the services of Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices Evaluation Center of the National Institute of Health Sciences, the Organization for the Pharmaceutical Safety and Research, and part of the Japan Association for the Advancement of Medical Equipment. Capital, Tokyo, and language Japanese, and ethnic group 98.5% Japanese and 0.5% Koreans and 0.4% Brazilian. GDP, 4.83 trillion and current yen, and market status second largest pharmaceutical market in the world. So PMDA Japan is carried out by Chief Executive Tatsuya Kondo. PMDA focus on 3 key services, which is a safety triangle system. Relief services for the person suffering from adverse health effect, and product review and safety measures. Our responsibilities, ultimate responsibilities in policies and administrative measure, science-based review, examination, data analysis, etc. to assist MHW measures. What is PMDA does? Drugs, medical devices, regenerative medicine, and cosmetic drugs. Classification of drug product: ethical drug, prescription drug, over-the-counter drug, class 1st drug product, and class 2nd drug product, and class 3rd drug product, orphan drugs. Drug approval process in Japan is very important for the regulatory bodies. Now we come to the investigational new drug filing process. Investigational new drug application documented to prepare in the common technical document format. Pre-IND meeting subsequent to the application submission, PMDA evaluates the application with respect to the preclinical data and protocols for clinical studies, etc. It may probably take 30 days for initial IND and 14 days for second and consecutive INDs. After PMDA completes its review, the IND application will be transferred to Institutional Review Board for the review. IRB takes 1 to 4 weeks of the time for the completion of the review. Once IRB provides a favorable response, IND application will be approved, after which clinical trial can be initiated on human subject. PMDA review the application and schedule a face-to-face meeting with the application, during which queries from PMDA are discussed. GMP investigation of manufacturing site will be carried out. Review report 1 and expert discussion first. PMDA reviews will prepare a summary of the main issues and discuss with the applicant in a direct meeting. Can be held 2 times. PMDA may organize expert discussion with if necessary and prepare the review report too. Investigation report to Minister of Health and Labour Welfare, MHLW, upon consultation with the Pharmaceutical Affairs and Food Sanitation Council, will give approval for NDA to the applicant. As for a new drug, an assessment report is published right after the approval post with the outline of application documents module first, partially, and 2 of the CTD is published after 3 months. The standard time for approval of an NDA is approximately 12 months on an average. So orphan drugs, the number of patients for the product is less than 50,000. The medical need to especially high and intended use is for severe diseases such as intractable diseases, and in addition, the following conditions must be met. No other drug or medical treatment is available for the disease of concern. The work duty of Office Biologicals is very important. So the Japan regulatory approval process for medical devices, submission is preferred to the STED, pre-market submission and pre-market certification and pre-market approval. So the medical devices classification is class 1st, general medical devices, and class 2, specified controlled medical devices, and class 2, controlled medical devices, class 3rd, highly controlled medical devices, class 4th, highly controlled medical devices. So this is the complete session. This session powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.